Sheikh Hamdan Bin Mohammed praises team behind innovative UAE-made medical ventilators. Sheikh Hamdan's remarks came as he reviewed the prototype of an innovative ventilator. Sheikh Hamdan Bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Crown Prince of Dubai, Chairman of the Dubai Executive Council and Chairman of the Board of Trustees of Dubai Future Foundation (DFF), said Dubai is fully prepared to tackle any challenges in the upcoming period through its strategic framework and comprehensive groundwork to envision and shape the future. The Emirates is not bound by notions of what is considered impossible and does not falter in the face of difficulties and obstacles, he said. Sheikh Hamdan's remarks came as he reviewed the prototype of an innovative medical ventilator fully designed and assembled in the UAE by a specialized team of local and international experts from DFF in collaboration with public and private institutions and research centers. The development of the ventilator is part of the country's efforts to deploy breakthrough technologies in the fight against COVID-19 and enhance its healthcare capabilities. Sheikh Hamdan said the accomplishment has been guided by the vision of His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Vice President and Prime Minister of the UAE and ruler of Dubai, a global R&D hub for futuristic technologies and a key driver of Dubai and the UAE's efforts to enhance the technological, medical and scientific sectors. We are proud of the efforts of talented local specialists who designed and developed an innovative medical ventilator indigenously. We are also proud of DFF's efforts in making this scientific achievement possible. Accomplishments like these further contribute to realizing Sheikh Mohammed's vision for the future and commitment to fostering local talent and innovative homegrown technology, as well as the country's proactive efforts to raise its advanced healthcare competencies, Sheikh Hamdan said. International standards. Khalifa Al-Kama, Director of Laboratories at Dubai Future Foundation, and Sakar bin Ghalib, Director of the Office of AI Artificial Intelligence and a member of the project's scientific team, outlined the specifications of the medical ventilators designed to meet the highest international medical standards. The development of the ventilator will help meet the growing demand for medical equipment to combat the COVID-19 pandemic.